I must say that SARS is very pleased with the number of taxpayers who have filed their returns using e-filing. It has been a huge number of people who have done the right thing for the country, so we're very pleased with that. And that has been our strategy at SARS, that we do not want our taxpayers to stand on long queues, but they must use the technology that we've provided as e-filing to file their returns. I also wish to emphasize to all the taxpayers that the filing seasons end on the 31st of October, and I encourage all of them to do the right thing for the country. We all know that tax compliance does help this country to enable the government to build schools and also to take care of the needy.